it's a big win for you.
It doesn't make sense for Salesforce to make a very niche pizza restaurant cash tip feature into their CRM. They're trying to serve a broad market. Exactly. And so Bubble allows anyone to come in and solve hyper-focused problems, and you can easily make $10,000 a month, even maybe $50,000 a month with one of these softwares. And you really just have to solve it for one local business, get your in, and then now you're just focused on the cold outreach to get more and more sales, which is really easy to do with AI tools and Apollo. Like cold outreach is it takes some work, but it's not rocket science.
Sure.
But I will say, you are very articulate, and that is pretty important. Like, I think a lot of people have a limiting belief, like, oh, I'm only 18, I'm 19, like, is that going to be a problem? It has nothing to do with your age. It's like, if you send a cold email and you convince them to get on a call with you, are you believable? Do they trust that you actually know what you're doing and you can execute on them if you're asking for money? But if you have that first example of the restaurant, it's proof right there. As long as you can make them believe that you made that, you should be able to close the deal, no problem.
Right.